Number 5, the MeetOne Breeze folding electric trike combines practicality, comfort, and modern electric performance in a compact design that makes everyday travel effortless. Built with a sturdy yet lightweight frame, it folds easily for convenient storage and transport, making it ideal for commuters or anyone with limited space. Its powerful electric motor delivers smooth acceleration and reliable assistance, allowing riders to tackle inclines and longer distances with minimal effort. The trike's stable three-wheel structure provides exceptional balance and safety, while the ergonomic seat and handlebars ensure a relaxed and enjoyable riding experience. With a long-lasting battery, intuitive controls, and ample cargo capacity for groceries or personal items, the MeetOne Breeze offers a seamless blend of functionality and convenience, making it a standout option for those seeking an efficient and comfortable mobility solution. Number 4, the Mooncool TK1 Folding Electric. Trike is a remarkably versatile three-wheeled e-vehicle designed for both stability and practicality, combining a robust motor, smart folding design, and thoughtful comfort features. At its heart lies a powerful 48 volts helical motor, rated 4,500 nominal power and up to 1,000 W peak output, giving it strong torque for climbing hills and hauling loads. It draws energy from a 48V 14.5 lithium battery that can be removed easily, and that provides a generous range of 35 to 70 miles on a single charge. Number 3, the Lectric XP Trike is a brilliantly engineered electric tricycle that blends impressive power, solid safety, and folding convenience into one stable ride. Built around a 1092-watt peak rear hub motor mounted on a dual differential axle, it delivers balanced torque to both rear wheels for confident cornering and reliable performance. Its removable 48V 14 lithium-ion battery offers a range that can reach up to about 50 to 60 miles per charge, giving you the flexibility to commute, run errands, or cruise around without constant recharging. With 5 levels of pedal assist via a cadence sensor and a twist throttle for on-demand boost, the trike adapts to different riding styles and energy levels. Safety and control are well addressed. Hydraulic 180mm disc brakes at both the front and rear, plus parking brakes help ensure strong stopping power. The foldable 6061 aluminum frame makes it surprisingly compact when collapsed, while its ultra-low standover height of just 13.8 inches makes mounting and dismounting effortless. A color LCD display with USB-C input gives real-time info about speed, battery, and trip statistics, and integrated front and rear lights ensure visibility even at night. Designed to support a total payload of up to 415 pounds. Number 2, the HGM TriHauler Pro is a rugged powerhouse electric trike engineered for strength, cargo capacity, and long-distance stability. At its core, it features a 1,000-watt Bafang rear-drive motor that produces impressive torque, giving it the muscle to haul heavy loads or climb steep terrain with ease. Power is supplied by a all-certified 48V 20Ah lithium battery, which on a single charge delivers up to around 80 miles of range, and with a second 20AR battery added, that range can nearly double. Its frame is built from strong 6061 aluminum alloy, and it supports up to 480 pounds of payload, making it ideal for carrying gear, groceries, or even a passenger. The trike rides on large, fat tires, a 24/4 tire in front, and a 20 times. Number 1. The Addmotor Grandtan M340 is a rugged yet refined electric tricycle that brings together powerful performance, long-range capability, and comfort-focused design in a three-wheel package. Driven by a 750W brushless motor peaking at 1000 W, it delivers robust torque and smooth acceleration, while a high-capacity 48V 20Ah all-certified Samsung battery powers you for up to around 85 miles on the lowest pedal assist setting. Its frame is built with durable 6061 aluminum and rides on wide 4-inch fat tires, 24 in front and 20 at the rear, giving it excellent stability, traction, and the ability to handle diverse terrain, from pavements to sandy paths. To keep the ride comfortable,